In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste a table from ChatGPT into Microsoft Word. This is useful when you want to quickly move information from ChatGPT into a Word document while keeping the table organized and easy to edit. First, open ChatGPT and find the table you want to copy. For this example, let's use a simple table containing a list of products, quantities, and prices. Move your mouse to the beginning of the table and select the entire table. Make sure you include all of the rows and columns you want to transfer. Once the table is selected, right-click and choose Copy. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows. Next, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to place the table. Click in the location where you want the table to appear. Then, right-click and choose one of the available paste options. You can also press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Depending on the version of Word and how the table was copied, Word may paste the information as an editable table or with formatting that you can adjust. If the table appears as an editable Word table, you can click inside any cell and change the text, numbers, or other information. You can also resize the columns and rows. Simply move your mouse over a table border and drag it to adjust the size. To change the appearance of the table, click anywhere inside it. Word will display the table design and layout options. From there, you can change the table style, borders, shading, alignment, and other formatting options. If the table doesn't paste correctly, try using a different paste option. Right-click in Word and look at the paste options. Depending on what you need, you can keep the original formatting or choose an option that uses the formatting of your Word document. Another useful tip is to check the table after pasting. Make sure all the rows, columns, numbers, and text transferred correctly before using it in your document. Once everything looks good, you can continue editing the table just like any other table created in Microsoft Word. And that's how you can copy and paste tables from ChatGPT into Microsoft Word. With a few simple steps, you can move organized information from ChatGPT into Word and customize the table to match your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,